All right guys, so I didn't really explain in the last video how I do end pieces. So I'm gonna do a quick couple-minute video on how I cut end pieces properly, how I mark them out, how a couple extra things I do, and how I make sure that there are no cuts on the scratching on the other board. So I'm not cutting one just to scratch a different board that's already been placed. So it's just simple stuff, and let's dive into it. All right. So today, the fun begins. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this board. Since we install it this way, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and put it the other way. Line it up exactly where I need it. So it's reversed now. Like I'm just halfway in between the edge there, and that's where my mark is. Boom. Then I take the piece, I bring it over here, and I make my cut on top of a piece that if I scratch it when I make the cut like this, I'm not damaging the laid floor. Super important. Now that we have our piece cut, what I typically do is I go in and over to the side so it's all lined up tight. And then I kind of jiggle it back and forth just like that. No pressing, no major twisting. Just, you know, put it in nice. It'll eventually sit. You'll see if I go here and just leave it, but if I tuck it in, kind of jiggle it, boom, clicks, you're able to let it go and it bounces just to say. So now as you see, I'm lined up there, but the piece isn't quite in correctly. So that's where we tap it and it goes in. So I'll do something like this. And we're good to go.